Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a super quick video. It's just going to be a little quick tip. So I was at Walmart the other day. My kids are grown, so I don't really go over to the baby stuff that often unless I'm getting some onesies and stuff, because I do a lot of those. But I seen over where the baby bottle section is these cute little sippies. So they're less than $1. I think they're like 97-96 cents. So they're by Parents' Choice. This is what it looks like for 6+. Tons of different colors. So what I did was I got a couple to show you. So I went ahead and got one down. This is some glitter vinyl from Cricut. And so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one. So what we're going to do is take this wrapper off. Now, if you're going to sell these or give them away as a gift, what I would do is print out some of those little, they look like little tags or whatever that you would drop down in the cup and say that they are not dishwasher safe, that you would hand wash them. Also, I wouldn't give them out or put them on the shelf for at least 24 to 48 hours. That way you give the adhesive time to set. Look how cute that is. I love it. Now, once again, what I'm using, because I really want to show you guys some free images in Cricut Design Space. So these are completely free if you're an Access member. There's just so many. So I typed in lake, and then I typed in summer, and this one had came up. So just type in different words to come up with different stuff. So you could also personalize these. You could just put the kiddos' names on here, or you could put the image as well as putting the name on the back. But I don't have anybody. I do want to put these at my booth. I highly recommend you do not skip this step. It really helps for vinyl to last a lot longer when you remove those oils and stuff. So you go ahead and remove those really quick. So I'm going to set that down. And what I'm going to do is I'm getting my image kind of on the side there. You could get it on the back, wherever you want to. Mine are on the side. So I'm going to lay that down, and we're going to pick this up with some of our transfer tape. Now, I don't have my Teflon sheet down that I taught you guys the other day where it keeps your, it'll keep this clean if you put a transfer sheet under first. And if you are layering, you definitely want to do that as well. If you haven't seen that video, I will try to have it linked down below. All right, so here we go. So I've got it on my transfer sheet, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of line this up. So just like that. So once you kind of got it down, you see that? I'm going to get it down here in the center, and then slowly start working those sides over there. And get this one. Now my transfer tape's a little bit big. You can see it coming over, but I'm not concerned about it. So just continue to work everything down. So this is something that's a curved surface. So if you've been kind of wondering how you would do that, you're just going to work from that center down and push outwards. So it's really easy to do that. So you want to rub that out, and then you want to take your little tool here and really kind of give that a quick go over like so, and then peel it down. I like to finish, you'll see some pieces are, I like to finish rubbing when everything's off. I just find it easier. You guys have seen I've done this in several different ways, but do whatever works best for you. So once I have it like this, then I like to completely go over it with my fingers like so. I don't really like to use my my scraper tool because I don't want to scrape the vinyl. So I'm just kind of pushing it down like this. So I just push, or I just kind of rub to make sure I rub out any bubbles or anything like that. So there it is. So like I said, I would leave it for about 24 to 48 hours, and then I would put it on the shelf to sell it, or give it away as a gift or something like that. So there's glitter as well as just regular. This is Oracle 651, and then glitter. I do use glitter as well. I just don't soak them in the sink. I've had stuff last me years. I'm doing this for a long time. So whenever I wash these in the sink, I save them to the last. I don't ever just let them soak in the water. I dip them down, wash them really good, and move them over and rinse them. So I don't just let them submerge. I just gently wash them and put them over. Now I wash them really good. They're good. But I just want to say, don't let them sit there just soak submerged in the sink as well. But just add that information down inside. So like I said, there was just a quick tip to make a little gift for less than $1 from Walmart. I think Target probably even has one, you know, other stores as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.